Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I decided to do a mani. I haven't been able to do many of them lately, and I truly enjoyed doing this one. If you like live swatches and reviews and also anything nail art or nail related, please consider subscribing. Also, if you like this type of content, please don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to click your notifications bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So, let's get started with this mani. hope you enjoyed this mani as much as I did. Again, don't forget to click your notifications bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel, and give this video a like. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.